Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and get into a wash day slash wash and go. So I had some rope twists in my hair for about a month, and I took them out last week, but I didn't wash my hair right away. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna detangle my hair before I wash it. So what you'll need is a spray bottle with water in it and a thinning brush. Hopefully I said it right. And also some hair detangler. That's optional. If you don't want to use that, then the water in the brush is fine. So we're going to start by sectioning the hair into 4 sections, pinning each section up or pulling it away from each section. Then we're going to go in and do section by section. So the first section, I detangled it with the thinning brush, and I went in also with a comb just to get those, in those roots, which were, a little kinky. So I twisted up after I detangled it, and I move on to the next section. As you can see, my hair is very coarse, thick, and curly. I would say nappy, but I'm not gonna say nappy. So yeah, so I have to make sure I have like some kind of hydration or moisturizer on my hair when I'm detangling it, because it hurts like a bump. So after I detangle, again, I go ahead and twist that section up and I move on to the next section. I've been natural for just about 6 years now, and I love it. I wouldn't change it. Spending money on perms wasn't for me, so I decided to go natural. As you can see, my hair is 3 different textures. It's curly with like a coil to it, and it's wavy, and it's also like kind of loose waves too. So I have like 3 different types of textures. So yeah, so this is my hair. And this is what I do before I wash my hair, and after I wash it I have to do the same process to make sure it's not tangled, for whatever style I want. Since we're doing the wash and go today, I'm going to make sure I detangle it nice and good before I wash it. Okay, so now that we are finished with detangling, I did go outside and cut some aloe out of the yard, and I'm just going to take that aloe and peel the top layer of the skin off so that I can have the jelly out in the open. I'm going to take that jelly and go alongside my edges and rub it on my edges. My edges are thin. I they've been like that since, I was like a child, but hey, as long as they got edge control, I can work with it. Um, Anyways, back on topic. I'm gonna go to the back of my head and add some of that aloe, and then I'm gonna go in between the parts and add some of the aloe as well to the scalp. So I just want to make sure I got the aloe nicely and thoroughly throughout my sections of my hair. And I also go in with the aloe, and I take it and I like squeeze it a little bit just to like get some of the jelly and like the juice of the aloe off of the actual aloe plant. And I go in and I rub that inside of my hair as well. So you might see like little flakes of jelly throughout my hair, but that's fine, don't worry about it. It's gonna come out when I wash it. Now that we are done with the aloe, I'm gonna go in with some Queen Helene hair conditioning cholesterol and add it throughout my hair to the roots and the ends as well. And I'm gonna take my hair, wrap it up, and put it inside of a plastic shower cap and let it sit for just about 10, 15, 20 minutes maybe. Now that we are done with the washing and conditioning process, I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower. And this is my curls and my do. Now I am going to go on with some of my favorite Cantu curling cream and add just a little dime-sized amount along with some buttercream to my hair, just to add that curly definition, and it smells good as well. So yeah. And this is my wash and go / wash day routine. And it's gonna stay like this. I probably twist it up by the end of the night, but this is how it'll look throughout the day. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and stay tuned for more content. Bye.